back to Christine Marcelina Wijaya channel, and today I'm going to make a video about unboxing and review Focallure Silky Lip Cream. So before I continue to the topic, don't forget to give like, comment, subscribe, and share my video to all of your friends if you find my video is useful. And please subscribe my channel because I really want to have 1 billion subscriber, but I need a lot of help from you all. So I wish we can work together and support my channel so I can create more amazing content in the future. Alright, so for now, I'm going to review this product. And the first part, I'm going to talk about packaging. As what you can see, this product has a super simple packaging design. The box is small and it has a barcode here. So if you're curious about is your product original or not, you can scan this barcode and you can find out later. Yeah, me too, I'm going to find out that later. But the packaging is overall is super simple. So I bought this yesterday, but I'm going to review this now. Yeah, so I'm going to open the plastic wrap first. And this one that I bought is shade 303. Alright, we're going to look inside. Wow. Okay. This product looks so cool, and it also have product information here, the expired date and so on. It's written here, and you can see cream. It written in super like a rainbow color, and the packaging is gold with some pinkish on the bottom. So this how the cream look like, how the cream color is like this. Well, the packaging is looks so nice and so glamour for me, because I like something shiny, and this product is so shiny. Yeah, you can see I really like this part where the leather comes in rainbow color, so glossy. Yay. But this product is silky lip cream, so I'm going to check how the product works. And the price of this product, if you buy it with normal price, you will get around 216,000 rupiahs. But I'm lucky enough, I bought this with the eyeshadow that I review in previous video. So I bought two products, and I got discount and bundle discount. So it will be a lot cheaper for me, but for everyone else maybe this product is expensive. Yeah, so it's around 216,000 rupiahs for one lipstick only. Yay. So right now I'm really curious how it looks like. Let's open this up and see how the product looks like. Wow. It has a smell almost like a candy. Almost like candy smell, and it has a brush with a little fur on the edge of this. So the first one, I'm going to swipe it on my hand to see how it looks like. Wow. But they say the color is so pigmented. But they say this product need to blend using hand, so it can give a silky effect. So I'm going to see how it looks like. Okay. This looks better. Looks like a blur, but it looks better. So this is how it looks after I blend using my hand. And I'm going to wipe this to put this lip cream on my lips. But I'm not sure how it's going to be because my lips is pink. Not so pink, but soft pink, but pink, or something like that. While my hand is yellowish. Yeah, so we will see how it's gonna turn out. First, prepare a mirror. And then we open again the lipstick. Open again. Wait, I want to give a closer look. So I'm going to apply this to my lips. Wow. This lip cream is so pigmented, and I didn't think that it will turn out so bold like this. I think it will just gonna look like this, but this is more than I expected. But I think this is too thick. So I'm going to blend it using my hand again and see how it will turns out. It's still the same. But the lip cream is so soft. Whenever I touch it using my hand, the lip cream is so soft, and I'm going to wipe it on my hand again to make it more red. I don't know why I choose this shade. I think it will turn out like a soft pink, but actually it's different. It turns out more colorful than what I expected. So yeah, on the hand it's like this. I'm going to clean this up, and we will see is this waterproof or not. You can see how it's transfers so easily. Yeah, it transfers so easily. So this one is not waterproof, I think, but I don't know. I will see again later, because right now it's too early to judge before we test this product. But right now is Right now is 3 p.m. 3:41 p.m. and I'm going to wait until few hours later. I'm going to do my activities as usual, and then I will come back again to see how this lip cream go over that time. So I will back again later. Yay! Stay tuned on my channel. Keep watching and don't skip this video, and please share this video to all of your friends so you can get a review before you before you buy this product. Alright? Yay! See you! Yeah, so for right now, It's 16:29 p.m. It's about 50 minutes from last time I applied this product, this lip cream on my lips. And you can see my oily skin is appeared again now. But this time I would like to tell you that this lip cream is so light. I didn't feel like I use lip cream right now because it feels so light. You can see this. And the texture, I would like to show you that right now the lip cream is transfer proof. You can see this. See? Now it's transfer proof, and maybe before I was swipe it with tissue is too early, and right now the lip cream is super matte, and the texture is feels so light and so smooth, and it transfer proof, which is I like about this product. And yeah, it's transfer proof. There's a little bit here, but not much, but still transfer proof, only just a little spot right there. So that's all I can inform you for right now, and I'll go hang out, and I'll be back again later at night, and I will keep updating how the lip cream goes on. Okay? See you! Oh yeah, and this lip cream make my lips looks bigger and volumizing. You usually see that I have a small lips, but using this lip cream make my lips look bigger and volumizing. Yeah. So see you again. Yay, so this time we are walking around at night. So I need to come closer. I need to move this camera closer because maybe you cannot hear my voice. Say something.
Hello. Now we can run all night. Run all night until exhausted. Yeah. Yeah. This content is funny, I think. Okay. She tell me to done.
Apa ini? Mana? Oh ya. Nanti ya. Iya.
Bukan itu dari
mau jalan. Sudah jadi muka so tutup sama DP toko ini. Yay. So right now I'm wearing the lipstick, but we will see later after I finish my night walk. Hi guys, so right now it's 21:32 p.m. and it was about 5 hours ago when I applied the lip cream, and right now the lip cream is only this, and the other was gone. So the lipstick, it's not waterproof. So right now I'm sweating a lot because we are doing some night walk. You can see I'm sweating. But the lip cream is gone. So it only good at texture, but other than that it was bad. You can see there's no more. It already appeared. And also I also eat dinner, so the lipstick may be gone when I eat dinner. Yeah, but that's all I can say for now. So if you ask, I will buy or buy, I will answer buy. I won't buy that lip cream again because of it can be easily removed after eating. So yeah, I need a permanent one. So when I eating the lipstick, the lip cream still here, but this doesn't meet my expectation, so I won't buy this product again. So that's all for today review. Hope you guys get some information on my video, on my content, and I wish you can also watch my other video. And thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Don't forget for like, comment, subscribe, and share my video to all of your friends. Yay! Bye! So I'm sweating, and later I will take shower. Bye bye!